We're going to have Hunyuan on our device, so first of all we should have COMFYUI, it's crucial. Let's go to the official GitHub and head to direct download this section here, where we simply click save without any issue. Well, I already had it, but I'll guide you through it again. Then we need to have Git, okay? Once more, Git will help us execute commands and such. It's important to open Git, alright? And say yes to everything. Perfect. Next, we'll go to COMFYUI Manager, section 2 for download. Here it is, okay? As you can see, they ask us to have Git, and now we're getting the portable version. I right-click, hit Save As, and we'll save it in our COMFYUI folder. We click here to save, and now we'll simply run it. It's starting to execute now. Then, based on whether we have an NVIDIA GPU, we can run this one here. If we have a CPU and not NVIDIA, we'll use the CPU instead. I'll say it again. If you have NVIDIA, it's much better. So let's just open it here. We see that we're missing some models, okay? If we want one, I recommend getting it, alright? Set it, save it, and wait patiently. If not, try City AI, okay? Here you can get many models for whatever you need. Click Manager and update all, okay? It'll probably ask us to restart and such. Ah, there it is. It's asking us to restart now. Also, remember to save the model inside COMFYUI, go to models, then to checkpoint. This is where you save what they ask you to download, got it? Or the different models you have in the version, well, I don't understand. Then you can add it here from this square, checkpoints and models. So let's move on to the Hunyuan part. To set up Hunyuan, first we'll get the model, okay? The diffusion model, if you have over 16 GB, 12 GB of RAM, let's go with this. Click get here, go to models, then diffusion models, and save it here, okay? As you can see, it's quite large. We also have safe tensors that go directly to the VAE, okay? Models VAE, hit save, there we go. Finally, we'll grab the LoRa, click here, okay? We'll go to LoRa's and hit save. We'll also need text encoders, so we'll definitely get the clip, okay? This is like the base template we need. We'll save it here. Then, choose between FP16 or FP8, okay? Well, the bigger, the better quality, right? Alright, basically we click on Q. Well, for example, I get this error. This means I need to change the files. I've downloaded models that are too powerful for what I can actually use. If you get an error with LOT or VAE files, if you see an error like this, it means the file you got isn't right, okay? So get it another way. They should work if you followed my steps. You can find the project here, okay? In Hunyuan video examples, right-click workflow, save as, save it where you want, then drag the file to the page, okay? And there you'll have the project created, just like what happened to me, right? It's important to click edit, then refresh in the manager section, click update all, and then restart. Here we'll be selecting the options. There it is. We'll select the different devices we have. We click run, and it tells me again that my UNET is too low, and that's how we can have Hunyuan connected.